Hi, this is RockinRobin, and today we are making the Disney Pixar Christmas cookie kit. And we're going to put it all together, we're going to show you how it's done, and tell you how it tastes. You stay with us. This is the box that I got. I got it from Walmart. I'm not sure if the box will look the same all the time. Could be different. You might be able to get it somewhere else. That is the front of the box, and this is the back of the box. It also comes out with these cool pieces that you can use on your gifts. Look at that. There's some nice gift tags. So this is what the box looks like. So the first thing you want to do when you are going to start this recipe is you want to put your oven and preheat it to 350. Then you're going to open the box, and this is what is in it. The cookie mix. Over here is the buttercream mix. And lastly are the little sprinkles and the little Toy Story items that are going to go on top. Now the directions say, in a mixing bowl, put in melted butter and egg to the cookie mix, and then stir it until well combined. Before you do that, you want to get your pan that you're going to use, and you want to make sure that you put parchment paper on it like this so that it's ready. Then you're going to take your butter. Here we go, 4 tablespoons of butter. I put it in a glass container and I microwaved it until it was pretty much melted. Then I put the egg, 1 egg, and the mix, the cookie mix, and I poured in the butter that I had melted, just like that. Then you're going to take it and you're going to mix it. And you want to mix it very well until it's well combined. It'll look like this when it starts. And then once it's finished, it's going to look more like this. As long as you wash your hands, clean your hands, you can use your hands to mix it and to mix it well to look like this. Then you're going to spoon it into the parchment paper right there. There should be enough for just 10 cookies. So you've got this part done. Now next, you want to do the cream filling. Now you want in a separate bowl combine softened butter and frosting mix and beat with an electric mixer. I just, again, used my spoon. I didn't use my fingers on this one. I used just my spoon because it's more mushy. So here's what it looks like, and I am going to mix it and mix it until it looks like this. It's kind of going to look like applesauce, but that is it, and it is ready. So you're going to keep that until you cook the cookies. So you don't want to put it on yet. You're going to cook the cookies, and once they're cooked, follow the directions. It's 10 minutes at 350. Once it's cooled completely, you're going to put it on like you did right there. Then all you do is put on the sprinkles and the little Toy Story extras, and then it's all done. And let me tell you, it's very tasty. I'm going to rate it a B. It's perfect to do with the kids around the holidays. Well, this is RockinRobin. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a big thumbs up. Watch all our other holiday videos and Disney.